Hello and welcome to Cloud Perceptor. I don't have a GPU is officially dead. Visual Studio and Google Colab extension has just dropped. I'll walk you through the process. Click on extensions, search for Colab. So you will find this first extension over here, right? Which is remember to check for the publisher, which is google.com. Click on install. Alright, so it's been installed now. You can walk you through, like, go through this documentation over here, like how you can configure. Along with that, there are features and dependencies. So let's use this extension now. I'll click on new file, Jupyter Notebook, click over here. Okay, we are gonna select the kernel over here, click on Google Colab, new Colab server. We are gonna use TPU VSE1. Just name it like visuals. Right. It's gonna load the available kernels from Google Colab. Over here you can see three kernels are available. I'll select Python 3 py kernel over here. If you hover it here, right, you will see it is pointing to Colab over here. Okay, like to the alias what you have given, right? Paste your Python code, click on run, and that's gonna run the program. So instead of running it on Google Colab, you remember we have to store files over there. If you want to run it on your local, you got to download it and configure it again. No need to do that. It is a very simple process now. And previously we used to spin up EC2 instance, configure SSH, pray for connection holds. Sometimes we lose our work when it times out. Okay. Now it's very simple as you've just seen, right? You got to install the Colab extension, select Colab kernel. You got free T4 TPU in your own editor running on your local machine. Your local files, their compute. The benefit is you don't have to provide any credit card details, no AWS bill surprise, no excuse. That model you have been planning to fine tune, that side project that you are waiting for the hardware. So use Visual Studio Colab to achieve those. Clock's ticking. Thanks for watching this video.